Hello, I'm Chef Chris Cukjati, a member of the Culinary Resource Team. Since Mother's Day is fastly approaching, I thought it'd be nice to create something unique and different for your Mother's Day brunch. Today we're going to be showcasing the Gran Sabor Chorizo, but I thought I'd put a Latin twist on a Eggs Benedict. We're going to get started on building the hash. First thing I'd like to add is some oil. Add our potatoes, be the longest cooking item. Our Tasso Ham, secret ingredient. A little bit of caramelized onion. Here's the Poblanos and a little bit of garlic. The other item is going to be cooking off our chorizo. Add a little bit of oil to that as well. One of the final ingredients for the hash is some diced tomato. A little bit of salt and pepper. So we're here to finish our Latin themed Eggs Benedict. The first thing we're going to do is put the double fried smashed tostones down on a plate, and then take our cooked Gran Sabor Chorizo right on top. The next thing we're going to do is put our poached egg on top. Add our hash to the plate as a side item. Made some traditional Hollandaise to go right on top of the poached egg and the chorizo. The final garnish is some micro cilantro right there in the middle. Enjoy.